me wipe off. But
I'm not eating that.
Look, there's no more cough on it.
I'm not eating that.
She is queen and he a king, and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby. Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years in it, seen each other grow more. Started from the bottom in the trenches, that's where love came. Always been 100, you would never see they love change. You know if it ain't no Saucy, ain't no honey. It's just how it is. Saucy on the rise and honey by his side. I could see him now, the new Bonnie and Clyde. They gon' build that empire and they gon' take over. But all they shit a banger, I ain't gon' even hold you.
Shock Bossy, what's up, Escalating Empire? It's your boy Saucy and I'm back with another bang. Back with another lit bang. Guys, before we jump into this video, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notification bells on because we do shout outs at the end of every single video. So make sure you turn them bells on so you can get shouted out. And you know, leave a nice comment so we can read it out. You know what I'm saying? And you know what? Don't forget to follow me on social media. Your boy Saucy on the road to 10K. Honey's on the road to 100K. You feel me? So try to get us there, guys. And today, guys, you know what I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna be pranking or what? Reaction, whatever you guys want to call it, but I'm gonna be coughing on Honey food today. You feel me? We're about to grab some food. I'm actually waiting on Honey right now. She's taking forever, you feel me? I actually got my ass up today and I got ready first. So I beat her out the door. And now look, I'm sitting in the car waiting for Honey. So we need to call Honey and tell her to get her ass outside because she's taking too damn long. Because your boy Saucy is hungry. My stomach is talking to me right now. For me, it's touching. Like, damn, Honey taking so long. Yo, what are you doing, babe? Alright, how you see? I got ready before you today, so I'm ready. I'm about to rush you now.
Okay, damn. Don't rush me.
Ah, come outside.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get some food.
Okay, I'm finishing up my hair.
Okay, I got you.
Okay.
Alright, love you, boy.
Okay.
Diggy. Alright, guys, so we waiting for Honey to come outside. We're gonna get right into this video. Feel me? I'm trying to eat. I'm hungry. You feel me? How you guys doing this beautiful day? No Honey. Where Honey at? Still waiting. Never came outside.
2 hours later.
That's good. That's what I love.
We really gotta do that TikTok before I forget how to do it. Let me find it.
I really suck at TikToks, bro.
This one. Oh. That's not shit.
I can't do it.
Why? Let's do it one more time.
I just suck at TikToks.
Nah, we got this. Hold on. Don't watch them. Because it's like lagging because it's playing in the car. Wait, hold on. It fucked me up too. One more time. Wait, you messed me up. It's time for real.
Show with a bag for pre-rolls, no fit in the crowd for free hoes. Feel brave as I walk to the stage and I tell them to behave as I put them in the games. I go and I been.
Hey! Alright, got smashed. I could have me stuck on it forever.
Go back like 30 times.
Nah, we gotta do that one for real.
Yeah, I can't wait to get this food in my tummy.
So, what are we eating? Low-key, I really want pizza, like cheese fries. Like they said, they have gyros. Like I want to try their garlic knots. Like I just want to try everything from there.
I definitely want to try the buffalo wings. You know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong without the wings.
I don't even know buffalo wings. But...
Damn. You got some water?
Huh?
You got some water?
Oh, this is warm. I might drink it with tea.
Nah, you're not drinking that. That's way too warm.
It's like tea. Warm water is good for your body.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's better for your digestion.
I'm okay the room temp for now, but this is real warm. This is hot. This is like you getting ready to make tea. Why would you drink that? It's just hot water. It's not good for your inside.
Actually, let me Google it.
Why you gotta Google it? Google go scare you.
Google it. No.
That's all Google.
What temperature is best
Over 70.
to drink water?
I said over 70.
The best temperature for drinking water is room temperature.
No.
Yes.
I don't agree.
Yes. Yes, it says you only should be drinking cold water if you need maximum refreshment. So if you're really dehydrated, you need cold water. After playing sports and stuff, but it says on the day, if we're going about our day-to-day routines, room temperature water is best. It allows our bodies to rehydrate because it absorbs more quickly.
But no, cold water is what it's at. Okay, cold water.
And let's go to Chinese medicine. Hot and warm water is essential to balance the cold and humidity in your body, and it promotes blood circulation and toxin release and helps speed up your digestion tract.
Well, I'm not drinking no hot water.
Well, it's better for you.
No, it's not.
It's better for you.
That's what Google said.
It's better for you.
So keep drinking it. Drink the whole bottle.
No, it's probably sitting in the car, and I'm scared that the plastic melted in it. We'll just wait till we get to our destination.
Yo. Now you made me want some cheese fries. I'm in the mood for some cheese fries. I just hope it's not. There's like certain cheese on my cheese fries.
Like if it's the cheese whiz, we gotta eat it right away. I don't know. I just really want some cheese fries, so I might eat it regardless. You like the nacho cheese fries? Yeah, I might eat it regardless. Sometimes. Because sometimes the string cheese all comes off. You good? You good?
Yeah.
Sometimes when they put like shredded cheese on it, cover your mouth.
Watch your mouth when you talk to me.
Cover your mouth. Why are you coughing with your mouth open?
It's a free world. I was just coughing.
We're in a we're in a closed car.
My bad. You acting like I got the stuff or something.
Okay, but cover your mouth when you cough.
Damn, I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing, baby.
Okay.
Oh my god. No, that's the same white one, bro. On the gang, that's the same white one, bro. It just made the left.
No.
Bro, you bullshitting, bro.
No.
So you gonna punch you for this one that I just punched you for?
No, I saw that one. That one just rolled up on us.
No,
I didn't see the drivers. I didn't see the drivers. I didn't see the drivers.
That's crazy, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, he just came
Cover your mouth.
My bad.
Damn.
He just came out that parking lot.
I don't know. I didn't see.
That's
It looked like a new buggy to me.
Bro. No, it's not a new buggy.
It looked like a new buggy. It looked like a new buggy.
We need to start playing. We're gonna change the game. Certain colored buggies gonna be double punches now.
No.
What you mean?
No.
We need to change the game. Yo. Damn.
While we over here, we should go to Whole Foods and get more cookies.
Nah, for facts. Them shits last night is gone. Gone. God damn it.
You good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay, go park over there up front.
I just fell over, you know what I'm saying? Like my throat.
You getting sick? You getting sick or something?
I don't know.
Again? You always fucking sick. It's always something wrong with your ass. Damn. What you need now? Vitamin C?
Yeah, some vitamin C and some cough drops.
Always something wrong with your ass.
I need some cough drops.
Come on, let's go. Hurry up.
Alright, but you gonna give me some cough drops?
Hurry up.
Yo, you always on some bullshit. Yo, guys, alright, I know I'm doing a good job right now, you feel me? And yo, we about to get real crazy and active, yo. Yo, what? Go inside, mind your business. Yo, we about to get real crazy and active. I'm coughing on the food, you feel me? I'm about to cough on everything. I'm gonna keep coughing all wild and crazy. So I'm gonna be right back. And guys, leave a freaking comment down below. Team Saucy. There you go, some more. Oh, I'm in the wrong exit.
You about to put us on the turnpike. You need to go to the doctor?
That damn AC, that's what it is.
I don't think so, because I'm not. And ACs make your nose run.
Yeah, it's kind of runny. I'm hot and cold. Probably about to get a fever or something.
Please don't play with me like that. You're always sick, Johnson.
Oh.
I don't get sick, so please keep your sickness over there away from me. We're not gonna be the only ones at the charger today.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's the only car there though.
Oh man. My throat hurt too.
Oh, she didn't want to charge with us?
Probably didn't notice. Didn't see the
charger.
The charger Tesla thing and didn't bother.
Bother looking around. Park on the end. What the hell is
On the
that?
corner, right? Oh, somebody dropped it.
Pillow? Sleeping bag?
Something.
Yo, stop coughing on me. Cover your mouth. What is wrong with you?
When was I coughing on you?
Hurry up and start charging the damn car.
When was I coughing on
Get
you?
your nasty ass out the car.
How am I nasty for coughing? That's natural. It's a natural thing. If you have to cough,
You
you
just
have to
coughed
cough.
on me.
You
You
can't
went,
control.
that's what you
No,
felt
I
all
did
that
not.
air.
No, I did not.
That's what you just
That
did
is
to me.
not what I did.
Hurry
If I
up. Put
coughed
the car
on
in
you,
park.
if I coughed on you, it'd been like this. But I didn't do
You
that.
need to open the trunk and put the adapter in.
Yeah, like I can't control my cough. If I gotta cough, I gotta cough.
Okay, bro.
Damn. It just comes out.
All right.
Thank God.
Get your nasty ass out. Where's the fucking Lysol?
For what?
Coughing.
You acting like I got germs or something.
Coughing everywhere.
We share the same air. We sleep in the same bed. We do everything together.
Okay, but I don't want you coughing on me.
I'm not coughing on you. That was not my intention. I was just trying to cough.
Okay.
I was just coughing.
Alright. You feeling alright?
I am.
Oh my god, you feeling okay?
Yeah, come here, give this.
No,
Oh,
so you can
yes.
cough on me?
I was playing. I was playing.
Okay, hurry up and charge the car. Stop pressing on my brakes and stuff. You're gonna break my car.
It's not gonna break. You're fine.
This boo-boo amount of ketchup. They gave us 3 things of ketchup.
Where the fries at?
Right here.
Oh.
Cover your fucking mouth. Don't play around my food like that. This one's yours or thing? I'm not sure.
No, I think this one was. They couldn't put some in the other one. We got that many pieces. Like we being fat.
I'm hungry. Oh, that's my plain slice.
This one. I get bite.
Okay. Wait, they forgot our garlic knots.
Oh.
When we drive back.
Yeah, we gotta get our garlic knots.
Yeah. Why are you coughing on my food?
The seasoning. It's still good, baby. You can still eat it.
I really wanted the garlic knots like now. Stop coughing on my food. I'm not eating that shit.
Why not?
You just coughed on my food.
Hey, this pizza real freaking good.
Cover your mouth, Johnson. I'm not playing with you.
I'm trying to eat good. I can't
Cover your
my
mouth.
I can't cover my mouth. I want to enjoy my food. If I cover my mouth, I want to enjoy my food.
Enjoy that pizza by yourself. I'm not eating that shit.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
It's your pizza, not mine.
You just coughed all over it. I'm not eating that shit.
That was my mistake. Like I said, I can't control my food.
I'm not eating that.
Babe, come on here.
I'm not eating that.
Take a bite.
I'm not eating that.
Why?
I'm not eating that.
Why not?
You just coughed all over it.
But there's nothing wrong with it.
Johnson, I'm not eating that.
Baby. Look, I'm gonna wipe off. Look.
I'm not eating that.
Look, there's no more cough on it.
I'm not eating that.
Come on.
You just coughed all over it. I'm not eating it.
I wiped off the cough.
You can't wipe off germs.
Why are you being difficult?
Nobody told you to cough on my food.
Eating the fries though, it tastes good.
You didn't cough on the fries. And don't cough on the fries. Don't fucking play with me.
I ain't coughing the fries.
Now you're doing shit on purpose.
I've been coughing the fries.
Now you're doing shit on purpose.
No, I'm not. You don't want to eat this pizza, take a bite.
Johnson.
Nothing wrong with it.
I'm not eating that.
I already wiped off the cough.
I'm not eating it.
I'll eat it.
You nasty cough. You keep your germs over there.
What are you doing?
Here. Take your other slices.
I coughed on the fries.
Here. You stay your nasty ass over there. Here's your buffalo sauce too. Stay your nasty ass away from me and my fucking food.
I'm fucking with you. It's a prank.
Nasty ass.
You hear me?
And how is it a prank? You're coughing on the food.
Not even a prank. So I was trying to get your reaction. No, I wasn't coughing for real. I coughed on the fries for real though, but you still eating it.
I didn't see you cough on the fries. If I saw it, I wouldn't be eating it.
Well, too late.
Nasty.
So you might as well eat your cheese pizza.
I don't want it. You coughed on it. I'm not trying to get sick.
Babe, you kiss me, we do a little bit of cough, messed up the whole food. You know how much stuff we do? A little bit of cough.
But we're outside. What if you caught corona while we were out here?
You said I cough what?
What if you caught COVID while we was outside?
No, I was outside. Hey, yo. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. If you dig what I'm saying, I got honey, you feel me? I really got her ass. Real
Nasty
good.
coughing
you
on
feel
my
me?
food.
So we're about to dog out pizza and enjoy the food.
He is queen and he a king and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby, Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years and they seen each other grow.